What's up? What it is, YouTube? It's your boy, Don't Play Trent, checking in live from the lab. Back at it again with another video here on the little account, where I give you guys tips and tricks on how to grow a little account into a big deal. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. Today, I wanted to create a video on the apps that I use or websites I use when I'm trading the foreign exchange market. So exactly what I use and how I'm using these apps to trade in the foreign exchange market. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video. Make sure you hit that like notification if this video brings any value to you. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So one of the first most important apps that I use when trading is going to be, I'm going to start here with TradingView. So TradingView looks like this, and let's go to the home page, right? So whenever you first get to TradingView, it's going to look something like this, which is going to look all crazy and scary. And I would definitely recommend joining, creating you a TradingView account. Definitely make sure you get the pro version. I actually need to upgrade mine now at this moment, because I just recently switched banks, and I don't think that it actually withdrew or got paid this month. So, but I definitely recommend you guys getting the pro version. Trading is all about investing. You want to invest into yourself as much as you can, because it's going to do nothing but help you in the long run. But TradingView is basically the platform that I use when I am marking up and analyzing my charts. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm utilizing TradingView just to mark up and analyze my charts. This is the platform that I use. Now, the next platform I'm going to show you is TradeLocker, which is another platform that I use. And this platform I use strictly just to enter my trades. So I am bouncing from TradingView to TradeLocker to enter my trades. Now this is just me and my preference, right? You guys don't have to have a preference, or you guys can simply utilize TradeLocker platform and mark up and analyze your charts directly from TradeLocker. The only reason why I use TradingView in the first place is because it's just what I'm familiar with. When I first started trading over 8 years ago, I started off with TradingView. And TradingView also has alerts. I like to set my alerts. I don't like to sit in front of the screen, and stare at the charts all day. I like to analyze my charts, set my alerts, and do what I got to do for the rest of the day. But like I said, you can utilize TradeLocker platform to mark up and analyze your charts, and then also enter right on the same platform. So there's just one extra step for me that I'm just bouncing from window to window, and it's just because I feel like for me, I can see my charts a lot clearer. On top of, I've been utilizing TradingView for 8 years, so it's already personalized to the way I like it. Not saying you can't do the same thing on TradeLocker, but you can see my indicators. Everything's already personalized and color coordinated to my liking, my standing. So, if there's no need to switch, why switch? Like I said, you can definitely lose trading. You can definitely use TradeLocker as well to mark up your platforms, but it's tomato, right? But like I said, the only thing I'm actually doing on TradeLocker is entering the trade. So as you can see here, this is a fresh account that I'm going to be starting for the new year. I haven't deposited nothing in it. But whenever I do deposit, whenever I am getting ready to trade, I'm going to be entering and exiting all of my positions on TradeLocker. So TradeLocker is the second platform that I use. Third platform I use when trading is going to be TradingView. Not TradingView, TradeZilla. TradeZilla is basically where I journal all of my trades. TradeZilla. I gotta say it 3 more times because I need you guys to understand Not only do I gotta say it 3 more times, I also gotta be looking at you. I gotta see you when I'm saying this. TradeZilla, TradeZilla, TradeZilla. TradeZilla is how you document your trading journey. I advise every upcoming trader, every upcoming trading influencer to utilize TradeZilla to document their entire journey. It basically lets you know who you are as a trader. You know, you get to see yourself on paper as far as number-wise how good of a trader you actually are. So as long as you document your entire journey, you get all of this data to see if you're an impatient trader, if you are inconsistent trader. You can pretty much see excuse me, you can pretty much see everything there is to know when it comes to you trading. So like I said, TradeZilla, I'm not sponsored or affiliated by them by any means. I just enjoy and love the platform. I appreciate Umar for creating something like this for traders, because this is what helps traders get to the next level and actually becoming profitable. By backtesting, by being disciplined, by able to see, analyze your data, and then correct it to not be able to make the same mistakes in the future. So get yourself a TradeZilla account. It's like $49 and something a month. Again, investing into yourself. Make sure you get yourself a pro version, and then also get yourself a TradeZilla account. So you got to think about, I think the pro version on TradingView. Let's go back to TradingView. And like I said, I'm going to update mine probably today or sometime this week. I'm going to update, but I want to see where exactly is the price point. So let's go back home and upgrade. So it's $29.95 a month. I usually do this on a month. Sometimes I pay for the whole year, but I think $30 a month isn't bad. I probably, catch a couple trades and then paying for the whole year, which that's what I do 90% of the time. But for now, I'll probably just do the monthly or even the essential or maybe even the premium. I suggest you guys do one of them. I usually only do the plus. So I usually do $30 a month. It's just easier for me. Or whenever they have a sale, I like to catch TradingView when they have a sale, because they have sales all year long. So wait for the holidays around 4th of July, Easter, any of the holidays. Look out for the sales. The sales are coming. So I'll probably do the 30 for the month sometime this week, and then wait for the next sale and get 50% off or something and end up paying for the whole year. But essentially, this is $30, and then TradeZilla is about $50. So if you think about me and my trading career, right, because trading is a business, it's a career, I'm already starting off at $80 a month, and I haven't made any money. And this is just so I can utilize my tools. So if you have not watched my investing video, go watch my investing video so you can understand that trading is investing, and you must continue to invest into your education, invest into your equipment, equipment, laptops, cameras, Wi-Fi, whatever it is, and invest into your education, mentors. You want to attend seminars, you want to buy courses. All of these things take money first, so you must be willing to bet on yourself before you can even see any money. So like I said, for me, I utilize TradeZilla just to document my trading journey. So let's go back to my previous trade, which was last week Wednesday, and I lost about $125. And let's go to the insights here, and I'm just going to give you guys a few little tools and neat things that, which is one of the reasons why I, like TradeZilla. But right here it says, we noticed that you had 24 trades today and usually average 5 trades when you have a green day. So this, for me, as you can see, I kind of over traded. This day took way too many trades, which is why I had a red day. On top of, I lost more than I should have. I lost $24 more than my initial goal. I should only lose no more than $100 per day. So that is my rule. So I broke 2 rules. Excuse me. I broke 2 rules on this day, and this is probably why I had a red day. I lost more than I should have. I lost $24 more than I should have, and I traded more times than I needed to. So those are just 2 rules that I that I broke, which is probably why I had a bad day. I also go to my note section here, and this says view previous day notes. Also, no notes taken. I had Zolden's appointment, so my son had an appointment this day, which is why I probably and I actually traded in the fucking at the hospital. My son had fucking a procedure he had to get done, so I ended up trading at the hospital, which is another rule that's broken. I hate trading when I'm not at the trading desk. So it was just a whole lot of stuff going on of why was not profitable this day, or why I took it. Not even gonna say profitable. Why I lost this trade. There's a whole lot of things that was going on this particular day when I shouldn't even trade it because I was not even at my trading desk. On top of when I traded too many times and I lost more than I should have. Like I said, these are the insights that I need to learn and know about myself if I'm trying to become a profitable trader. So this is why I recommend every trader to get TradeZilla, because TradeZilla is going to show you about you. So Tuesday is when I believe I took the notes on this trade, and I pretty much had this entire day marked up. There was no notes on Tuesday. Excuse me, there was no trade taken on Tuesday. I was actually waiting for the pullback, which it did happen on Wednesday morning. It just kept pulling back. So I was actually in the right headspace, right mind, waited for my trade, but I still shouldn't have traded because I wasn't in front of the desk. So, like I said, this is TradeZilla. I utilize TradeZilla just to document my trading journey. On top of, TradeZilla has a lot more features. I'm not going to run through all of them now, but I do have a TradeZilla video. So, if you guys have not watched my TradeZilla video, go watch the TradeZilla video so I can show you guys more features that TradeZilla offers, before you commit to it. So, the next trading platform that I use, or app that I use, essentially is going to be my FX books. Why do I use my FX books? I use my FX books for one reason and one reason only. One reason only. The news. This is how I gather all of my fundamental news when analyzing the market. So, I also recommend creating an account with my FX book, because just like TradeZilla, it also gives you a lot of breakdown and a lot of data on your trade. So you go ahead and connect your account to my FX book or to TradeZilla, and then it'll start, basically copying your trades to its platform, and then give you a bunch of data and numbers to read. How many times you want to trade, by how much, wins, losses, how many trades you took, etc. But when I'm on my FX book, I'm basically going to go to economic calendar. Once I go to economic calendar, I can then customize this or personalize it, which I don't know why it's not, but I don't trade none of these. How do I change it? So somewhere here, right here. So for me, on the side, I'm going to hit the three dots on the side. I'm pretty much only looking for high impact news. I can leave medium on here, but I kind of want to only pay attention to high impact news, and then I only want to pay attention to the pairs that I trade, right? So let's put none, and then I only trade GBP, USD, and JPY, and I'm going to apply. So whatever you trade, or whatever currencies that you trade, you can pretty much delete all the extra noise on here. So this is pretty much how it should look. So today is Monday, January 13th. There's pretty much only medium news that came out today. And what I'm most concerned with is the high news, because the high news is where or how the market gets big reactions. So I remember when I first started trading, I used to be afraid of the news. And I used to have this little thing to where, the news, there's just a whole lot of talk and commotion about don't trade news is bad, blah, blah, blah. But now I'm more an advanced trader. Now I understand that you pretty much need the news, because the news is going to drive the market in the direction it's trying to go. So the news is going to bring the volume, which is why it's a lot of volatility when the news is happening. It's just you have to understand and know how to trade the news, which is a whole nother video that we could talk about on another day. If you guys want to know about that video on how to trade the news, leave it in the leave it in the comment section below. So, like I said, I only use this app, which is also an app, but I only use this website, my FX book, for news and news only. So In a situation like this, if I'm waiting for today's Wednesday, I'm waiting for CPI data to come out. I then click on CPI data, and it basically says a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bullish for USD, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative. Let's just go to allow, and yeah, it should be seen as negative bearish for the USD. And USD CPI data usually has a little description on what CPI data is. If you guys don't know what CPI data is, feel free to Google it. And actually right here, yeah, but usually I have a little description on what CPI data is. For some reason it don't. But if you guys, want to know exactly what CPI data is, look it up on Google somewhere. So, my FX book, strictly for news and news only. Osprey FX is going to be the broker that I use. So this is the broker that I use when trading foreign exchange market. So when I'm using Osprey FX has Trade Locker as their platform. So whenever I sign up to Osprey FX, and when I get to trade, when I'm actually trading Osprey FX, I'm going to be trading on Trade Locker itself. So inside Osprey FX, it's going to give you an extra link, an external link to open up a new tab to open up Trade Locker. So basically, you want to treat Osprey FX like your wallet. Osprey FX is the middleman from you and the markets. This is who's going to hold all of your money, where you deposit and withdraw from Osprey FX. So basically, they're like a bank, an online bank. We call them brokers, where they're going to act as the middleman between you and the markets. So this is the only reason why I use Osprey FX. And Osprey FX also has a 1 to 500 leverage, and it's a whole lot of other things that they offer, But the thing is, with Osprey FX, you cannot use MT4. Osprey FX is like its own entity in a sense, so they don't have the license to use MT4. And if you're looking for a little bit more peace of mind, I guess, if you're looking for a broker that utilizes MT4, then this is my next screen here, which is going to be PlexiTrade. So PlexiTrade still has license to use MT4, and if you're familiar and comfortable with MT4, which is another app where we actually enter our trades, I don't have my phone with me, but MT4, if you want to just Apple store it, look up M as in Mary, T as in Tom, and the number 4. Look up MT4. You can download MT4, and MT4 is where you can actually enter and exit your trade. So for me, my platform is going to be Trade Locker, and if you're using PlexiTrade, your platform is going to be MT4, the little blue app that's in the Apple Store. So again, like I said, this video was not meant to be long. Video wasn't meant to be long. I just wanted to share with you guys the apps and websites that I use when I'm trading the foreign exchange market. So whenever I'm looking for my trades, this is pretty much what I use each and every day when trading the markets. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. I feel like that's my alarm going off somewhere. But anyway, please leave it in the comment section below. All of the links to each and last one of these websites will be in the description, so make sure you use the description if you need help finding any of these websites. But if you guys found any value to this video whatsoever, please hit that like button. If you are not subscribed, have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And for my subscribers, make sure you hit that bell notification so you guys can continue to get updated or notified when videos like this drop. So like I said, show your boy some love, hit that like button if you found any value to this video. Helps me, helps you. So again, it's your man, Don't Play Trent. I am checking out, and until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Gang.